Hi guys, welcome back. Today is Thursday and Saturday is Adalynne's first birthday party. Today I am just going around and getting last minute things ready. I am actually kind of like just starting putting together things for the party wise, like party favors, the cake I have to get today, and just little things here and there. Tomorrow I am cooking the baked ziti and like this spaghetti pasta. It looks really good. I found it on Pinterest, so I'll make sure I show you guys. But I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys all the preparation for the birthday party. I asked you guys too if you guys wanted to see this in one video or two videos, and you guys picked two videos. So the first half is going to be the preparation to the party, and then the other half of the video is going to be the actual party. So I am just running around getting things done. We are, like I said, picking up the cake today, and we have to finish the cake as well because I was going to pay for a unicorn horn and like the ears and everything, and I got quoted from this one lady, and she quoted me like almost $400 for a cake, and I was like, oh my god. And when I saw the cake, I was like, literally my mom can do this and I could like do the horn. So I just decided to take on the project myself and do it. I did order a cake though, however. I did the two-tier cake because we can't do the cake part, but we can at least decorate it the way that I wanted it done. So I did do the horn and the ears myself. They came out really good. It's so easy to do. It's just fondant, and you just buy the fondant at like Michael's or something, and then you just basically like roll it. Let me show you guys. So these are the ears. And then this is the horn. And I don't think that it looks bad at all for my first time using fondant. And once it's on the cake, it's gonna look like perfect. So I'm not worried about it at all. We are actually decorating the garage. The whole party is gonna basically be out in the garage. And then the inside is gonna be like where the food is and everything. And then we also have a pony coming. I figured for a unicorn party, you had to have a pony come. So that is gonna be coming Saturday as well. And Mike just has to pick up food Saturday too. So right now I am getting ready to bag up these ones, these Rice Krispie ones. They are super cute, and I am putting them in the Goody Bags. These are the Goody Bags for the birthday. I actually made these bags. They were super easy. I cut out the horns and the ears, and then I just bought a big garland basically of flowers, and then I cut the flowers onto the bag as well and just used Sharpie. And then I just bought the pastel tissue paper to, you know, blend it in. So I have to do all the Goody Bags today. And then let me show you what is inside. We do have a lot of kids coming to the party. That's why I am doing the Goody Bags. I mean, you can do Goody Bags for an adult party too if you just had adults coming, but we do have a lot of kids coming. I think we have like 9 kids I counted. And inside of the bags are these birthday cake popcorn. I thought this was super cute to put in the bags. I put ring pops because she's a little girl and, you know, rings and unicorns. And then just some of these cute little pony mints from the Party City. And then I'm gonna go ahead and added the cute little ones. And then I also went ahead and did the pictures. So each table is gonna get one of these frames with the pictures. These are actually from my baby shower. I reused them. And they're gonna get a picture. We have 3 long tables for the garage. So each table is gonna get one picture with balloons tied to it and then a flower centerpiece. And then this, everybody signs. I already signed ours, and I just thought this was cute to put on the cake table as well. And then this needs a picture frame as well. This is for the cake table. It's just really cute, and this is from Etsy as well. I'll link down below where I ordered this from. So this is the cake that I told my mom that I wanted, like this, and we started it. I think it looks really cute. And these are the colors. And Adalynne is eating lunch. Well, she's supposed to be. Yeah, supposed to. And I don't really think we did anything else so far.
Hi.
Hi guys, it is Friday and we are officially like getting really ready for the party now. I am just getting done some last minute things. Mike completely cleaned out the garage. I'm going to show you guys a before clip of the garage and what it looks like after. I just finished wrapping all of Adalynne's her birthday presents, and I am just getting ready to fill in the rest of the chalkboard sign. I actually made this too. I wasn't going to make one, and then I was like looking all over Etsy and I was like, I can like totally make this. So I just decided to go ahead and make it. All I did was just go to Michael's and I purchased like black construction paper, like the big ones. And then I just cut out a board, like one of these like hard boards. It was pretty hard to do, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why it was so difficult. Maybe my scissors were messed up, but it's all jagged and gross looking. But I just glued it on with some I think it's called Mod Podge glue, and then I just took these markers that are called chalkboard markers and they look like chalkboard, so it came out really good. And then I just cut all of these out with the Cricut and glued them on instead of printing them out. But I don't think it looks too bad. It looks worse in person than on camera, honestly, so it looks good. And then these are the birthday presents I wrapped. I picked up this paper from Marshall's. I found this actually back in like October, and it's just so girly and pretty. I love it. We just finished the garage and I'm really actually impressed with the way it came out. So we took rolls and rolls. I don't know if I even showed you guys yet or not. But we took rolls of this tablecloth and we literally just lined the walls with it to make it like look more like birthday-ish, just because I didn't want it to look like white walls everywhere. And we did this side of the garage as well. I mean, it is still a garage, so it's very hard to, you know, make it look like a hall or something. Like, it is a garage, so I mean, it's not gonna look perfect. Mike still has like cabinets and stuff out here, but it's the best that we can do to fit everybody and make it look presentable. I'm going to add something back here. I just don't know yet. It might look fine after I add balloons and stuff, but this is, we gotta do something with that too. That doesn't look right. But this is the table where all the food's gonna go, and I'm really impressed with it. We're gonna go ahead and add stuff to like the ceiling and everything like that, so I'm really happy with the way it came out. So I just went and I picked up all of these balloons. I'm like completely obsessed with the unicorns. They are just so cute. I don't know if you guys can even really see them or not, but they just look so girly, so pretty. And this is something else that I finished working on. I made this as well with the Cricut. I printed out all the little unicorns and then I pieced together the letters, the stars, and all this stuff. And then each month I added Adalynne's picture underneath of like every time that she turned a certain month, and it's so funny seeing her little personality like come out of like each picture. Like it's so funny. Like right here is when she like kind of like started smiling, and then right here is when we got like silly goofy Adalynne. So I love this. Like I absolutely love this. I think it's so pretty. I also have to fill up these jars with some candy inside, and we just got done doing these ones. I don't think I'm going to leave them here. I'm definitely not going to leave them here actually, but these need to go on the table. That picture frame always stays on the trash can, but they're going to go on the cake table as well. I just put them over here so they were safe and out of the way. And what else? Oh, and I just got done blowing up all of the balloons that say Adalynne. I'm gonna put that on the back wall out in the garage where the food's gonna go. Alright guys, so it is around, I would say 11 o'clock. I probably had the worst day ever. Like if there was ever a worst day, it was today. I woke up this morning and I felt like kind of like blah, but like not like sick. And you guys saw like I was vlogging like probably like all day, and then around 4 o'clock I got so sick. I was throwing up, I was running to the bathroom all night, and it was just a absolute disaster. Like if there was any like worst timing in the world, it was today. My mom, my nanny, and my aunt Debbie came over like thank God they all came over because they were the biggest help in the entire world. They helped do the entire garage for me, and like I basically just sat down and just directed like where things go, and I was just so sick. I was up and down the steps all night throwing up and, you know, running to the bathroom. It was just absolutely terrible. However, the garage looks absolutely amazing. Like, they did an amazing job, and like I'm just so grateful that they were here to help. I'm gonna show you guys an overview of what it looks like. It's not done yet because tomorrow morning I have to wake up and really like put the flowers out and everything, but I just want to show you guys. So this is the cake table. It looks amazing, like absolutely amazing. And then there's the banner that I was showing you guys. They did all this. Like, huge thank you to my mom, my dad, Mike, and my brother while I slept. Here are the goodie bags, and then this is like where all the food is gonna go. It just looks so good. My Aunt Debbie did all of that for me. She did all of the goodie bags, like put them out and like decorated the little shelf. Like, oh my God, I'm so grateful for them. And then pinned the horn on the unicorn, and it just looks so good. Mike hung up all these for me. He's like the best husband ever. Like, he did an amazing job and like such a help. So when I was upstairs sleeping and like, you know, like trying to rest because I was so tired, I fell asleep at like, I think I finally went to bed at like 6 o'clock, and then this is why I'm up right now. But I feel so much better, thank goodness, because I was literally panicking. I thought I was gonna have to call everybody tomorrow or today and tell them not to come. So thank goodness I feel much better. Alright guys, so that is it for the party planning. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope I got enough footage for you guys. Stay tuned for part 2 of Adalynne's birthday party, and you get to see everything completely done. I'm so excited to show you guys. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so you get the notification of when I show the next video of her whole birthday and what it looks like completely done, inside and outside. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.